Hello everyone, welcome to Tips for Education, and I'm Hemant Kashyap, hosting a new series called Interview with Guest. Today we have Dr. G. Venkatrao as our guest. So we'll ask him to give his brief introduction. So please give your brief introduction, please.
Hi everybody, I am Dr. Gundamarazu Venkatrao. I am a practicing psychiatrist. In addition to psychiatry, I also studied forensic medicine, hence I am a double postgraduate. I worked in government of AP for more than 28 years and retired in the year 2007. I am also an agriculturist. I am fond of agriculture. I am fond of my profession. I am fond of my family and its welfare.
Thank you, sir, for your introduction. So today, our first question is: what do you think is most important for achieving our goal?
Hard work and dedication to the goal. This can be exemplified in Sundarakanda. Bhagavan Anjaneya, with great determination, he could cross the ocean, enters Lanka, searched for the Mother Sita and achieved. So such should be the motivation. So one should have a clear goal and one should aim to achieve it.
Second question is: if you had a chance to change anything in your life, then which moment will be that you will change?
Life of any other person, there were certain lacunae and also shortcomings in my life also. They could be due to immaturity or inexperience or both. If to rectify, since I am more mature now, my approach could be different. Go to the problem, deep into the problem, try to ascertain what is the problem, what are its consequences, whether to take action is proper or improper, and I will take necessary advices from my well-wishers or persons who are more experienced than me in the said field, and I will sort out. I will be firm in rectifying the defects.
Okay, sir. Next question is: what is the most awkward moment of your life?
Most awkward moment in my life is lockdown period on account of Corona. Prior to Corona, I was leading an active life and I was crippled and locked indoors practically. So this I did not expect. I was a free bird and my movement is locked down. So it took a lot of time for me to adjust to the new situation. Still, I do not like this restricted life indoors. I want to go out, I want to expand, I want to improve my social relations, I want to maintain social life, I want to help people, I want to help my patients.
Next question is, what is your opinion about people who roam in streets carelessly, though there is such dangerous situation?
This is due to irresponsibility on the part of citizens and failure of the government to impart health education. When a person goes outside, what precautions he has to take to avoid COVID infection. This is lacking in people. So this is the reason for the irresponsible behavior of the people. There is a notion that only an impression was created in the people that only people of higher age group, that is senior citizens, are prone. People of all ages are getting infected. So this was not clarified. Initially the thinking was different. In the present scenario, there is no age limit. So including the elder age group, when young people are getting infected with COVID. So one of my friend was recently admitted in a COVID ward. His observation that most of the patients who are admitted were in the age group of 30 to 40 years. So this was not emphasized or stressed by the government. So what I want to say is, no age is barred from COVID. Right from day one to there is no upper age limit.
Free time, what would you like to do?
Newspapers, TV programs, spiritual programs, especially on the TV. I want to read spiritual books and also fiction. I want to interact with as many people as possible. I will make phone calls to my friends, relatives, my children.
Thing you want to do after pandemic?
I will be overjoyed. The very first thing I want to do is step out of my main gate and go to the road. I will resume my last active life.
Sir, and last question, define yourself in one sentence.
I am a highly contented man and I am an optimist, always positive, no negativity. And I will lead my life in this fashion.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time, and thank you for all for watching. So please comment what you have learnt in this episode, and if you want me to take your interview, then please send your profile and one picture. Thanks for watching. Don't like this video, share among your friends to motivate others, and subscribe this channel. Thanks.